better way to beat the heat than with more heat. So let's check out Torchbearer Sauces and see just how spicy their hot sauce really is. Here goes the rest of my day, my intestinal tract.
So,
All right.
a pea-sized blob is usually what I recommend if you want to really enjoy it. A full-on chip.
I almost had heat stroke yesterday from hosting the mushroom contest. Now I'm about ready to. Oh my God, this is not a pea size.
No, you went for it. You're going all in.
Zombie. Oh yeah. What's good?
Yeah. That's more of a cooked pepper flavor. A little fruity, a little sweet.
My face says it all. This sauce is hot. Oh man. My eyes are watering. It's starting to mellow out a little bit. Not really. Right there. You can't defeat the train. Get out of here, man. I'm kidding. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for having us. I survived the zombie apocalypse. Booyah!